Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a little while, so I'll get you updated. I have not been posting a lot, and I probably won't be posting that much just because I'm taking a short break. It doesn't mean that I won't be posting, but it just won't be posting. I won't be posting a lot. But anywho, into the video. Today when I rode, well, it was actually on Wednesday. I rode at 6, and it was raining, but I did enjoy my lesson either way. Very decent lesson. I rode Iris again. She looks a little darker than usual because of the rain today. I just was fixing my stirrups. Well, my trainer was helping me fix my stirrups here. And then we're going to go into the arena and we're going to do some jumping. And because of the rain, my lessons are normally at 5, but we had to move it to 6, like I said. So I had to take a small little group lesson with some other girl who was really, really sweet. And I won't mention her name, but we had a really great lesson. And today was just more of like a chill lesson where I kind of just got to do, because it was like the other girl's technical lesson, so I just got to move forward. So I kind of got to do a little more of whatever I wanted to work on since I haven't written a little bit. And yeah, I hope you enjoy.
Thought they did. They did not.
So as you can see, with the rain, the ground was a little slippery, so there were a couple areas where I couldn't quite cross. As you can see there were cones lining it. It was really muddy, and it was just a hassle to get through. So we had to get on the inside, and there wasn't many people. It was just me, the other girl, and some other person. I think she was riding a little buxom pony that you'll see around. But yeah, there's definitely some places that need to be dragged as well, like this little ditch, which I do go in a couple times for jumping, but otherwise I stay clear of that area and we just stay to the inside of the arena mostly. And you'll also see that Iris is really, really forward during this lesson, so that's a little foreshadowing for what's happening later.
Good girl. Oh, that's right. Listen. Shh. So starting around somewhere here, I think I start sitting trot right there, yep. And he never asked me to sit in trot, my trainer, but I really like suck at sitting, like at keeping my stirrups while I do sitting trot. So I decided to do a little bit of sitting trot here and there. like here I kept my stirrups really well. I was very proud of myself. And she automatically like dips down so she can slow down, and then I start like coasting again. She has a really comfortable trot to sit in when she actually slows down to let me sit the trot. And then so here we took a little walk break, and I'll give her a couple walk breaks in between these before we start jumping, because I don't want to overwork her, especially when training. And she was very forward, so I didn't want to like keep her like really going, I guess.
No, I said listen. You're a nice girl, but I want you to listen.
Okay, so right about here, I let the girl go by. She used the other girl in the lesson, and I pick up a nice canter. And my trainer had told me to do a couple of circles before I go around, because Iris can be really strong in the canter. So I was just doing a couple circles, and she didn't like listening to my leg today. So you'll see that she will be going over like the yellow cone a lot, and I really have to push her to go into it, like inside of it or outside of it. And I think I only got her outside of it once, but otherwise she was really good, and we did a couple circles here. I don't know how many we did exactly, but we did a couple, and I'll get back to you when we,
Yeah, I just wanted a little bit, but it doesn't matter.
Okay, you'll see here that she starts drifting a lot, and then she bolts, like, not bolts, but she goes to the fence. I lost control here because, again, she would not listen to my leg, like, at all, and it was kind of annoying, but at one point you kind of just, like, get used to it, and you just get over the fact that you have to use more leg. But yeah, that's what my trainer's telling me, you gotta keep more contact and stuff. So she just went to the fence, and I fixed it, corrected it, and I think I pick up another canner, I'm not sure. Okay, y'all, so here is where I start my little jumping. So I come around, and I think we only did a cross row throughout this entire thing. But I'm just working on my releases, and we come around, and I come pretty straight to the jump. And he does put it up like the cross row, but we go over, and she speeds up, takes a canter, and launches me. And it looks a little better than it felt, but yeah, I think for almost every single jump that we did, she launched me onto her neck almost every single time. There's only like, I think 3 that were like okay. And yeah, I'll let you see footage of me getting launched. Okay, so on this one, I think she literally like she does the bunny jump, like she takes off from here, bunny jumps, and I like land, and it was like really funny and like weird because like I don't normally get flown like that. It was just weird, yeah. Same on this one with the last one, like she takes off, boom, and I land. And I think my GoPro just makes it look better than it actually felt, but I genuinely like landed on her neck and it was really weird.
No, you can try. But I want you to slow. This girl takes the longest damn jumps known to man.
Okay, like this one, bro, like genuinely my trainer was not watching, no one was watching, and I come up to it and she waits, and I hold on, I release it. It was a perfect jump, and my trainer didn't see it. Like, I actually think this is like a scam, because she even landed straight, everything, and he didn't see it. Like, that's crazy, bro.
And he didn't even see that one, bruh. Do you know what's rigged? That.
Okay, y'all, this is like the best part of the lesson. It's like a little surprise, a little extra. So here, I actually get the privilege of cooling her down bareback. So I get off and I take off her saddle pad, half pad, girth, and I just take that all off and I set it on the fence. And yeah, and then I'll get back to the footage where I ride her bareback.
Yeah, I'm pulling her off bareback. I don't know how to get on, but we'll figure that out. Huh. Oh, that was not bad. Okay.
Stella, she her owner left, so she went with her, but I got to ride her bareback, and I rode half of it with a pad in like literally 10 minutes without it one. But this was like my first real, like, I guess, quote unquote ride without like a saddle or anything. And even though it was like just walking, she still did really well, and it was a fun experience riding bareback, and hopefully I get to ride bareback more in the future. oh yeah, it's just getting off without the saddle. So I give her a little pat and I swing my leg off, and yep. And yeah, I take my tack back, and I think my GoPro dies soon, but anywho, I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the footage, and I'll do my outro in a little bit. I sped up a lot of this. I think I just sped up most of it. No, yeah, I sped up all of it. Because it's just Iris continuously trying to scratch her head on like post. Because her bridle is really hard to get off. So it took me a quick second to try to get it off. But eventually I do get it. I don't get it on camera, but I do get it. Because I did it. But yeah, she's just constantly trying to scratch her neck. It's like the cutest thing ever. Well, anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'll see you on whatever video I do next. I love you guys. And I might do a community post later of some news, which is good or bad. That's for you to decide. Love you guys. Bye.